Good evening to all, and I'm very happy today to present Case Business School, Case Academy in Study Metro platform. And I'm thankful to Study Metro, to Abhishek, Vaishnavi, Kirti, and all your team members for giving me an opportunity to, come at your platform and present my college. So Case Business School is in Europe. It's in France. It's located exactly in Montpellier, and Montpellier is one of the biggest and it's a tourist spot. It is a tourist spot. So when you come to know if any place is a tourist spot, then what you come to know? It's if it is a tourist spot, then 20 then you can get good job offers, you can get good careers packages, you get full-time part-time jobs quickly, easily, and your time zone. So it's one of the beautiful campus of France, located in Montpellier, Parole. Okay. Next, you see this is the Collège de Paris. It's the partner school. So Collège de Paris is one of the biggest college of France, and it has many partner and member schools under it. Out of that, one is Case Business School, which I'm representing today to you. So Case Business School is part of Collège de Paris. Case has its very good features. Case a business school helps the student for various prospects, for preparing a good CV, for if the college has some kind of good offers with them, definitely they assist the student to grab that opportunity. They assist the student in many way out getting an accommodation, and also it's very helpful when it comes to Case Business School. And as it's a tourist spot, so you can imagine the people are always very familiar how to deal with the different language and different country people. So you will be finding very good, very convenient, very comfortable studying at over here. Now, Case Business School, Case Academy is RNCP certified. It's accredited by State Government of France, and all the college, means all the member schools of Collège de Paris, including Case Academy, and all the programs of Case Academy is RNCP certified. So RNCP is the best accreditation which college gets in France, and because college is RNCP certified, then many things come across positively. That means you get stay back options, you can apply for APS, you will be getting accommodation benefit, many things will come across, which I will let you know. Okay. So coming towards the courses, we have options of bachelor's and MBA programs over here in Montpellier campus. In bachelor's, we have 3 bachelor's right now. That is bachelor's in business administration, bachelor's in business, which I'm speaking about. Next is bachelor's in IT, that means information technology. Next is bachelor's in tourism and hospitality. Okay, so these bachelor's program are of 3 years of duration course. So bachelor's is 3 years duration course. Coming towards MBA, in MBA, the program is of 2 years, okay, 2 years of MBA course, and the course is MBA in Business and International Affairs, MBA in IT training, and MBA in Digital Management of Tourism and Hospitality. So we have 3 bachelor's and 3 MBA programs, and all these programs has been designed by good experts team, and the program is designed in such a way that after you complete your bachelor's or maybe MBA, you will be at the best positions in your work profile. If you're working with some companies, you will be at the best positions at the managerial level you will be working for, or else you can become your own entrepreneur. So all the courses, study units are including management, business administration, human resource, business laws, business ethics, and all these things, which is very much important if you have your openness towards becoming an own entrepreneur in the future, or if you wish to work with some good companies at the best position. So it's the program is designed in a very good way. So I would request you to please contact Study Metro so that they can hand over you individual brochures of each and every courses where you can go through each and every study notes, and I believe that it will be very interesting and for you. So next, when you know about the course details, now when you see about the fees, you can see here for bachelor's, the fees is 8,000 euros for each year. and for MBA tuition fees is 16,000 euros. So for bachelor's, it is 3 years degree program. The fees is 8,000 euros for each year, and only in first year you need to pay 290 euros additional as your administration fees. And MBA is of 2 years duration course, fees is 16,000 euros and 290 is administrative cost. So first year you need to pay only 10,290 euros and second year you have to pay 6,000 euros. So you have variety of course fee structure over here. So you can just imagine that you get fees you get fees flexibility over here because fees is less if you study in this campus. Okay, we don't charge any kind of application fees. You do not have to pay any application fees. You are getting 2 years of stay back after completing your MBA program. There is no scholarship from college side because fees is comparatively very less, but you can apply scholarships through Direct Campus France to the Government Office of Campus France in India. And as a student you are allowed, nowadays we have accepted the installment facilities. So if you are having difficulty in paying college fees, you can pay 50% of tuition fees before visa and remaining 50% of tuition fees you can pay after you get your visa. But you make sure that you speak about your problems to study metro so that approval will be taken on behalf of you. Okay, so you are getting the installment facility where you are allowed to pay 50% of fees of first year fees, I mean to say. Next thing, you have to just make sure that when you I can see some other screen over here right now. Hello. So
Hello?
fees can be paid in two installments. Next, when it comes for refund, you need to make sure that if you apply for refund, you should get visa refusal document. So if you get visa refused, your fees will be refunded back to you. That means your tuition fees will be refunded back to you. Okay. And for fees transferring details, we give all the details in the offer letter. So you can pay through that. Next, I will tell you that refund policy is the most important policy where student wants to know what will happen if my visa gets refused. So make sure whatever tuition fees you are paying will be refunded back to you within 60 to 70 working days once you submit your refusal letter. So in order to get refund, you should get refusal letter, and 290 which you had paid additionally as an administrative cost is non-refundable. So only 290 euros is non-refundable, rest complete tuition fees is refunded back to you. Okay, so and we guarantee that we will be refunding within 60 to 70 working days once the refund process begins. Okay, there are two intakes in 1 year. You can apply for September 2020 or you can go ahead for Feb 21. Right now we are open for the admissions for 2021 intake, and I hope so by July the visa process will be starting so that you can apply for visa. And I would suggest you or request you to please forward all these documents to Study Metro so that we can begin working on your profile. You need to you need to forward your CV, your passport, your SOP, your photo, work experience, academics documents, mark sheets, and all. So once you mail all the documents to Study Metro, we can start working on your profile. Okay. Now college will be only twice a day, twice a week. Okay, only 2 times in a week college will be there, full day college. Remaining days are kept free so that you can work part-time or you can improve your profile by joining French languages. Okay, eligibility criteria, IELTS is not mandatory at all. You can apply without IELTS. So we do not require IELTS. Just make sure that you have good communication skill in English because you will be selected based on your English communication. So for any of the courses, maybe bachelor's or MBA, IELTS is not required, right? Age difference, I will tell you, if you would go for bachelor's program, your age limit will be 25 years. And if you apply for MBA program, your age limit will be 35 years. So whatever gap you have after your school or college time, you should make sure that whatever gap you have as per this age, which I told you, should be filled up with required documents, maybe work experience or whatsoever you have done during that period, right? Now, steps of admission is very simple. As I told you, there is no application fees you need to pay. You need to just forward all your documents to Study Metro. They will be processing your application forward. And once I receive all the documents after verification, you just need to crack 2 rounds of interview. As soon as you crack 2 rounds of interview, we make sure that within a day or two we give you offer letter. Okay, so we don't take so many days, only a day or two we give you offer letter. And after offer letter, when you pay tuition fees, maybe you pay full 1 year tuition fees, or maybe you pay 50% of tuition fees, within 1 week we will give you all the documents which is required for visa. Okay, so we don't take so many days to complete any of the process. We work very fastly. Next, you make sure that you all the courses which is taught is in complete English language. See, when you go through Case Academy website, you will see plenty of courses. And make sure this college was formed in the year 1949. It's one of the very old college, and has many courses which is in complete French language. Only the courses which I have shown you today, which I told you today, is taught in English. Okay, so I repeat again, we have bachelor's in business, bachelor's in IT, bachelor's in tourism, and in MBA, we have MBA in International Business, MBA in Tourism and Hospitality, and MBA in IT. So we have many options. Fees for bachelor's is only 8,000 euros tuition fees. Fees for MBA is only 16,000. First year is 10,290. Second year is 6,290. You will be paying additionally as an administrative cost. So it's very comfortable, very, very good fee structure where you can apply. You can just think about it and you can work on your profile. Next, students are allowed to work 20 hours a week, 4 hours a day. Okay, and make sure, see, as I told you earlier, college will be only twice a week, only 2 days college. So college will be teaching you one level of French free of cost, which is part of your curriculum. So you do not have to pay any additional fees. In fact, college will be teaching you one level of French free. Okay, additionally, if you want to learn French language, you can join language classes in France. In France, there are multiple options. You can go for French language school classes, or coaching centers based through government or through private institutes. So there are also classes which teaches French free of cost. There are certain days when the government teaches free of cost French language to the students. So you just need to see where it is and to grab the opportunity, improve your profile, and there is possibilities after 2 years of stay back, you can apply for PR also. So there is a possibility to get PR. So, and France is growing nowadays. You get Schengen visa, you can travel to all different Schengen states, you get 2 years of stay back, you can apply for PR. So there is many good possibilities which is coming across along with your France visa. Okay, your government gives you benefit called as CAF. That means 40% of whatever you are paying to the government as your accommodation money will be refunded back to you. So that money also you're getting it back. Okay, and college provides guaranteed 2 months of paid internship for MBA students. Okay, so MBA student gets 2 months of guaranteed paid internship from college side. For BBA program, the college does not provide internship because bachelor students are for 3 years, and you can imagine after 3 years the students are so intelligent that themselves they get very good options. In fact, they have reached reached at a good position after completing their BBA. So you will be very happy studying over here. And make sure that you forward all your documents to Study Metro so that we can begin with your profile, begin with your application. And as I told you, there is no application fees, just you need to contact Study Metro, contact them. They have, it's a good platform, and it's the number one which I have seen through my through my knowledge. It's the number one in India. In number one is Study Metro, who is providing such kind of online platform during this pandemic situation. We had a Study Metro 1.0, now it is 2.0. So it's very good. We may be coming up with more options also. So please contact Study Metro as soon as possible so that you can grab the opportunity of studying in France and getting good job offers. Remember, when any country is growing, and during this growing stage, if you apply for any kind of job, full-time, part-time, or good, whatever you are doing, so at that moment it's the best time to be at the best place. So this is the growing stage of this country, and you will be at the best position if you imagine where you will be after 3-4 years. So I need that please take this opportunity and forward all your documents. I repeat again, IELTS is not required for any of the courses. For bachelor's, 25 years is age limit. For MBA program, 35 years is age limit. So you can apply as earliest as possible. Whatever documents you are not having at present, just speak to Study Metro. We will assist you how to proceed further, and we will take care of your profile very clearly.